Okay, you guys, welcome to the final Thredup unboxing of 2022. Hey guys, it's me, Kay, and you've arrived in my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller, mostly on eBay and Poshmark. I also sell locally at an antique booth. I am on Mercari and Depop, all of that fun stuff. And yeah, I have a Thredup addiction. So I became a Thredup ambassador in 2022. I will link the video down below that shows you how you can apply as well. And so in exchange for posting one Instagram feed post per month, they give me a $50 credit. So I saved up a few months worth and I bought this 15 pair shoe box. It's normally $80. I had enough credits to get a couple fun boxes and this one, and I ended up only paying $2 and change for 15 pairs of shoes. I have seen a few of these in the last couple weeks. I've seen some incredible ones. Common tags, Courtney, she got Teeks in hers, which is a brand that still eludes me. Veronica Mitka got a pair of Rothy's and some Fry in hers. And I've also seen some really terrible boxes in the last couple weeks. So Hope at Racks to Riches resale, she got like moldy and dry rotted shoes in hers. And Amanda Pruitt, I think she had maybe like one pair that saved the whole box. So I don't know where this box will be at. It's from Pennsylvania. Here's my receipt. Let's dig in. Wish me some luck, guys. Okay, so first off we have Cloudwalkers by Avenue. I don't think I've ever picked up this brand to resell. They kind of look like a Dansko clog. But they're in really good shape though, so I will definitely list these. I just don't know what they will go for. They're a size 9.5. So not bad for a first pair. They're in good condition at least. Next we have some running sneakers. These are Brooks, another brand I have never picked up to resell, but it's mostly because the ones that I see in my thrifts are pretty trashed and runners really care about their sneakers. These look like they have a decent amount of tread still left. It says Bedlam on the tongue, so I'm assuming that may be the style name. Sorry if I just kicked the tripod, it's because Clove is going after the paper. These are a size 8.5 medium. I think they're women's, but they kind of have like a fly knit material. These are also in pretty good shape. They've definitely been worn because you can't really see the Brooks in there. I know it's hard to see, it's like a black hole. But the Brooks is worn off on the insoles, but otherwise they're in good shape. All right, we have some, I'm guessing these are Keen. Yep, these are Keen sandals. You can see right here, I think. Hopefully you guys can see that and it's in focus. These are probably the most colorful pair that I've ever seen. They're like a rainbow. Let's find the other one. They do not have Vibram soles. I don't know if that means they're older or newer. I know for a time they did have the Vibram soles. And these are a size US 6, so a smaller size, but I think they'll still sell just fine. And again, they're in pretty good shape, just a little bit of dirt on the bottom. Okay, these I don't know anything about, but they look in fantastic shape. So if you've ever heard of this brand, please let me know. It's Veja, V-E-J-A. They have gum bottom soles. It says V12 here. I don't know if that's a style name possibly. The insoles look good. They're a size US, I think that says 6.5 or Euro 37. So another small size, but these are probably in the best shape so far, besides that first pair. So I'm happy with these. I just don't know much about them. That's the good thing about these Thredup boxes too, because I learned so many new brands to look out for that I probably never would have picked up in a store. These, not in great shape, but they're Vince Camuto. They're like a python or croc embossed brown, like a rounded pointed toe. Is that an almond toe? I don't really know. Another size 6. So lots of small sizes. There is some peeling inside here, and it just, I don't know, they're like white everywhere. I don't know if that's what that's from exactly, but I'll see if I can show it to you. So all inside here, it kind of looks like chalk almost, but yeah, I don't quite know what that's from, so I don't know. Those might not be a list for me. They might be a donate. These are Kauffman. They're okay. They're just, the style is not really there for me, but this is a pair of flats. Again, like an almond toe, patent leather toe cap. You can see some wear there in the insole, and it says Kauffman. Also says Kauffman on the bottom there. These are a size, I don't know. I don't see the size anywhere. There is some peeling inside in the toe area. Oh, right here, size 7. So yeah, they're okay. I'll definitely still list these. I mean, for $2 for 15 pairs of shoes, you can't really go wrong. I'm definitely gonna make a profit regardless. All right, these look interesting. Don't know this brand though. These are a size 7 leather upper, Mojo Moxie. There we go. These look very retro. I kind of love the style. They do have wear here, if you can see. Down here, there is a little flaw there. Sorry, my camera has not been focusing the best lately. I think you guys can see it now. Definitely been worn. They got like a pretty purple sole. Let's see this one. The leather is definitely like crinkled from probably being stored, being in the box. They got triple buckles, so yeah, they're all right. Some like little beat up marks on the back of the heel, nothing really bad. So I'll probably list these. I have to do some research on these. So far this box is meh. It's not one of my better boxes for sure, but how can you complain for the price that I paid? All right, these are Ann Taylor Loft. They are a little thong sandal, brown braided leather. These are a size, I don't know, because the sticker is worn off and I don't know if it says it anywhere else on the shoe. So these might be a donate if they don't have a size. I don't mess with that. Yeah, I can't read the size on these, so I will probably just donate them. Okay, we have some more flats. These are Target A New Day. They're in good shape though. They were maybe worn like once or twice, if at all. Size 7, lots of size 6s and 7 in this box. They're not gonna be real leather, but I just wanted to see what it said in here. Textile lining, man-made materials. They're kind of like a Dior flat. In my last Thredup shoe box, I got a pair that was pretty much identical to this. That was Banana Republic. Same black, same style and everything, but those were real leather. All right, next we have more sandals. These are Tommy Hilfiger. Little ankle strap here. It's like a denim material, the strap in the ankle part. What size are you? 8.5. This is the biggest size so far. Hello, Clove. And while I wouldn't pick these up in a thrift, they're still in fine shape. So I will list these. Little like kitten stacked wedge heel there. I see something that looks like it's decent, so we'll see. I'll save that for last. These are Stuart Weitzman. Never sold this brand in my 4.5 years of reselling. Hopefully you guys can see that Stuart Weitzman size 5.5, so that's pretty darn small, and they're not in good shape. Patent leather, little peep toe number. I don't know, they're like a muted gold color. They're not really what I would call yellow, but I don't know. And they definitely have some wear in the patent leather, see here on the heel. And historically, I have not been able to get those marks off of patent leather. If you have any tricks, let me know. But yeah, this right shoe has got a lot of it. I don't know if that's like dye transfer or something, but I think these are probably going to be a donate. Just 4 pairs left, you guys. These are BCBG Max Azria size 10, so that's a great size. This shoe at least looks in good shape. They got like a really nice supportive ankle strap here, back zip, like a chrome heel, and yeah, just a little single strap in the front. These are like a good classic heel in my opinion. They are very high though. But yeah, size 10. This is not my favorite brand to sell, but I have sold a few clothes and shoes from this brand when I've gotten them either like really cheap at the bins or in Thredup boxes. So I have no reason to think that these won't also sell. Next we have some Skechers Relaxed Fit Memory Foam. I might list these for maybe 15. But otherwise, yeah, I wouldn't pick these up in a thrift store either. They're in decent shape though. Just like, they look like a suede. Yeah, leather upper, size 9. It's a little suede loafer. They're a little smushed from being in a box, but yeah, otherwise they're in good shape. 1 pair of boots. These are Fiorentini and Baker. Never heard of this brand, so if you are familiar with it, please let me know. I'll show you guys the logo on the bottom because it'll be easier to see than trying to show you the inside of the boot. But yeah, these seem really nice quality leather. It's definitely leather. Made in Italy, size 38. The zipper pull even says the name of the brand. Usually a good sign. I mean, made in Italy is usually a good sign on its own. So there's 1 boot. It's like a chocolatey brown color. Yeah, they look good. A little bit of wear, but I think that might be kind of part of the design, similar to like a bed stew boot if you've ever seen those. And they typically look intentionally distressed. So I'm really happy with these. And yeah, this shoe also doesn't have much wear. So whoever had these definitely didn't wear them too many times. And this is the last pair in the box. I can tell you right off the bat that they do have at least 1 flaw, other than the fact that they are pretty dirty on the midsoles. Okay. But the brand is pretty good. Veronica Beard. I have never found this brand out in a thrift anywhere. I have bought a pair of sandals from them on Poshmark and then sold them, but otherwise never found it. They have like little embroidered stars, definitely a platform. This platform is like very foamy feeling. Nothing on the bottom. Let's see if they have a size anywhere. I don't see anything. It looks like maybe there was a little round sticker here that might have had the size, but at least on this right shoe, it's no longer there. They also have like this embellishment here, but on the other shoe, that embellishment is flawed. You can see there's the little strings here. They're supposed to be within the embellishment and not just loose. So I have to see if I can do something with that. But yeah, there's no size on the bottom. Okay, so yeah, this sticker did have the size, but on this shoe, it's still there. However, can only see that it has, if you guys can see that, you might not be able to, but this little sticker, it just has a 3. So I don't know if they're a 35, a 36, a 38, a 39. It looks like it might have been a 9, but it's kind of impossible to tell. So I don't know. I will maybe try to put them on myself and figure it out. Otherwise, I don't quite know what to do with these because selling shoes without sizes is not my bag. I've never been good at it. I have measured a few pairs, but otherwise it's not for me. Yeah, I think it might have said 39, but yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to show. Oh yeah, here we go. So see, you just see the 3 there. You can't see the other number. So they kind of look like they might be a 39. So that's what, like an 8, 8.5. Okay, I am interrupting this video. Right after I finished recording, I went and looked a little further into those Veronica beards and pulled out the insole, and it does say 39 on the insole, so I was right. So that's great. I can definitely list these now. I just have to clean them up a little bit. So back to the video. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know if these saved the box. The Fiorentini and Baker might have saved the box, but so this is pair number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know where the other one is right this second. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So I've always gotten exactly 15 pairs of shoes, no more, no less. I know when Hope did hers, not only did she have the mold and the dry rod, but she had 2 booties and neither one was the same brand. So her last pair was 2 individual different boots. So yeah, again, not my best box, but I mean, for a $2 investment and a little bit of my time to post on Instagram once a month, I'm satisfied. I think my favorite pair would be the Veronica beard if I knew what size they were. But I think I'll probably go with the boots, though I am also curious to see what these Veja turn out to be. And also I think the Brooks are in really good shape, so I can probably make a decent profit off of those. So that's everything. This is my final box, my final Thredup box for 2022. So let me know what you guys thought. Let me know also if you would like me to continue buying Thredup boxes in 2023. I probably will regardless, but I love to hear what you guys want to see from me. If you ever have any suggestions for a video format or a topic, please leave them down in the comments below or reach out to me on Instagram. I'd be happy to make that happen for you guys. I mean, this channel is much for me because I enjoy it and it's kind of a challenge for me and I like to make myself uncomfortable sometimes. But it's also for you guys so that you guys have some free information out there so you can learn about stuff. I mean, I'm always learning when it comes to reselling, even though I'm going on almost 5 years of reselling part-time. And I still make mistakes. We all do. That's just life. That's just what happens. So yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know what you thought of this box. Again, it only cost me $2. Normally it's $80 for 15 pairs, and this one came from Pennsylvania. Also, let me know what your favorite pair was. Like I said, I like the boots for this one. Otherwise, it would have been the Veronica beard. But yeah, if you like this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from me. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you here in my weird little family on the internet, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.